Hello everyone, I'm Razia from Hive Group. Today I'm here to present this house. It's a 2 BHK flat builder floor built in 900 square feet in Subhashan. So let's go inside and see how this flat is. As soon as we enter, we come to the parking area. So the beauty of this apartment is that each floor has a dedicated car parking. And you can see the floor, it's all granite flooring. You can see the walls. It gives a very warm tone to the entire place. As soon as we come here, first thing we see is this tiled staircase. So you don't have to worry about future cost of painting or whitewashing. Let's enter to the flat. As soon as we enter, first thing we see is this steel safety door that's given. The height of the door is quite good. House, it's all Italian marble. You can see a beautiful cove light, and there's ambient light also given. Let's see the living room area. So there are beautiful furniture kept here. Let me tell you guys, this furniture is just for reference. It's a sample flat, but just to give you a whole idea, once you buy furniture and keep it, it would look like this. So we have a TV unit here, and in the evening we can just sit with friends or family, relax, enjoy, watch TV. And you can see guys, there is a huge TV unit given. And we've also installed a quite big TV out here, and there's a security camera also installed, you can see, in the parking area and outside the house also, so that you make sure that nobody enters your house without permission. It's quite safe and secure. So guys, let me show you the bedroom now. So as we enter, as I mentioned to you initially, this entire house is done with the Italian marble flooring. So you can see Italian marble flooring done over here. And we have given another TV unit in the bedroom also. You can also see there is a wall-mounted wardrobe given. It's quite spacious and big. You can see this entire warm tone of the light. It's a warm cove light that's given. It's yellow tone, and also we have given a provision of the ambient light. This door opens to the washing area. Now I want to show you the washroom. We have a washroom which is done in all Italian finish. You can see all Jaguar fitting. Let me show you the remaining part of the house. So this is the main entrance door from where we entered. And this part of the house is my favorite part in the house. You can see how beautifully these furnitures are kept here. You can sit here, chill here with family again, and you have a provision of using furnitures as per your choice, because I mentioned that these are sample furnitures that's being used. And you can see this wall, it's beautifully done again. It's called wallpaper. It gives you a 3D effect. And again, you have a provision of doing the wall as per your taste. You can also see there is an audio video door cam given here. So as soon as you switch it on, you can see someone standing down who's coming to your house, and you can open the door from here also. I'll now take you to the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, guys. This kitchen is done in German style. It has got this beige and black tone. It has got this granite top. You can see this. There is a built-in 4-burner top given here. You can see a built-in chimney over here, and we have this huge hydraulic pantry. Now let me take you to the main washroom. It is attached to the drawing room. Again, this is also an Italian style washroom with Amprador tiles and anti-skid tiles as well. Let me now show you the master bedroom. We have used a huge bed out here. It's quite huge in size. You can also see this customized wallpaper. We have given a massive built-in wardrobe with chrome and white finish. Now this door opens to the balcony, and before we open this, we have two doors given over here. This is UPVC mosquito resistant door with a mosquito mesh, and you can also use this door for ventilation. This is another door. This door opens to the balcony, and this door is a noise cancelling door with a soundproofing glass. So now let's come to the balcony. It's a beautifully designed balcony, and it's a park facing. So guys, now we are on the most beautiful part of this house, which is the terrace. Let me show you the terrace. Wow, it's a beautiful terrace. It's quite spacious. It's all tiled, and let me mention, this is a heat-proof terrace. We have given the attached washroom on the terrace also. You can see the walls. It is also very well tiled. This part of the terrace can be used for planting trees. You can have small trees, plants and vases kept here. This stair connects to the 1000-liter water tank, which is kept there, and we have given 1000-liter water tank on each floor. Now guys, let me show you the most attractive part of this terrace, which is the lounge area. Every terrace that we design could be customized as per your choice. Either you can opt for a terrace garden or a terrace lounge. This flat is a terrace lounge. Beautiful dim lights. You can host a party of 30 to 40 people on this terrace. So this is it for today. Thanks for staying with me till the end. I hope you love this video. If you're looking for such a beautiful builder of flats in West Delhi, do call us on this number given below, and also visit our website, that's www.hive.in. I will see you guys with some more exciting properties like this. For that, do subscribe to our channel.